Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday and I was just on estatesales.net and saw this amazing estate sale, and I'm gonna go to it. I have so many things to do today. I'm supposed to be meeting Tevia to look at wedding flowers, but y'all, this estate sale has so much stuff in it and it is nasty outside. Do y'all see that? Like, it's just terrible outside, but there's so many good things at this estate sale, and like there's something that my sister has been looking for, and I'm gonna quickly go. It's like 15 minutes away. I have to be at Tevia's at 11:30, so I don't have a lot of time, but I'm hoping, since it's so gross outside, nobody else will want to go, and so that the things that I'm going for will still be there. I literally saw this, threw on some clothes, and was like, let me get there before anybody else does and see if I can get the things I'm looking for. And then I'll get home and do what I need to do. So, okay, y'all, let's go see. Let's go see if the things I'm looking for are still there, because it's 25% off. So we're gonna go. We're gonna brave this weather. Delilah, I'll be back, okay? Be good while I'm gone. Love you. Y'all, look at this. It is gloomy out here. My carport is flooding. Like, this is what my grandma calls a gully washer. Y'all, it even like took off my mat. This is deceivingly deep. This hill is rough, guys. Okay, look at that. Woo. I'm a workout in this morning. Let's see what goodies they still have.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning. Those are cute. Look at these books, guys. These candlesticks are pretty. I think the elephant is gone, guys. Look at how these little pieces. Look at that mirror, guys. Oh, it's got funky smell. It needs to be repotted. The elephant is gone. What a bummer. All right, let's go look back at those books.
really cool.
Yeah, I picked up a few of them. I'm like, oh, those are really nice. Y'all, they had some good stuff in there, but my elephant was gone. So sorry, Jenny. I'll insert a picture of it if I can from the website. But anyway, I got some good stuff. So we shall see what we're gonna do. I think I might stop by Starbucks, y'all. Like, it's kind of on the way home. And it's so humid now that it's raining. I'm like, ugh. So anyway, I gotta go home and get ready and get ready to go with Tevye to pick out flowers. So maybe I'll bring you along on that. All right, see you guys in a bit. Bye. So I'm not really a hot beverage person. We're here at Starbucks. I'm not really a hot beverage person. So I really like to get the mango dragon fruit refresher. And I think I want a breakfast sandwich this morning. I really love their bacon Gouda one. Y'all, my hair, look at this craziness. The humidity is gonna go bonkers, so I'm gonna have to put it up today. I just texted my sister, so that elephant wasn't there. I texted her and I was like, I tried so hard to get it for you, and I was gonna keep that one and give it to you, give mine to you, but no luck. So we'll stay on the hunt. But I did get a couple of things, so I'll do a little quick haul either this afternoon or this morning if I have time. But
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name's Rainbow. What's yours?
Kate.
Hi, what can we get for you?
Can I get a bacon Gouda and egg sandwich? And then can I get a venti mango dragon fruit refresher? They're always so nice at this one, but it always is like so backed up and like you have to fight traffic, but it's really the closest Starbucks to me. But I don't know. We go to Corner Cup. Like, that's our preferred coffee spot, just to shop local and support people that are actually in our community. But, you know, sometimes you just need a good Starbucks drink. So I got some stuff. My haul is back there. So I got some really cool candlesticks. Like, honestly, I could have spent hours sorting through all of them, but I don't have time. Like, that's one of the estate sales things. Like, they had a ton of books, ton of candlesticks, and honestly, like, if I had time I would have, but I didn't. So also, like, that one is like hit or miss. Like, there were some pieces of art that like were really expensive and others like that were not, and like things that I was like, oh well, I mean, I'd pay $5 for that, but I wouldn't pay $25. And it was priced because like I was looking for it for frames, but it was priced for the art, but I didn't like the art. So, you know, there's that. Good, how are you? Oh, thanks. You too. Guys, look at how pretty it is. It's pretty in pink. I personally like this better with water than I do lemonade. It's like too sweet with lemonade. Also, y'all, I wanted to share what my friend got me for my birthday. Where did it go? Right here it is. She got me this lovely little candle. I think it's from Target. It's citrus and white oak. Y'all, it smells clean. It smells flowery. It smells a little masculine. Like, it's really, really nice. She got me that, and then she also got me the cutest earrings. Let me show y'all. I need to clean my house. Maybe I'll do a clean with me tomorrow. Look at how stinking cute these are. They're little rosé bottles. And she got me a bottle of rosé. I am so thrilled with them. They're so, so cute. My room is a disaster. So I've got to go get ready quickly. Also, I have a little project for that wall right there that I am working on. And I did get a new dresser. This room is kind of becoming a makeover room, slowly but surely. I haven't really been documenting it, but I have a few things that I want to do. So also, Ian gets back today, y'all. He has been in Denver, and he got to see his brothers, and he was at a conference and all this stuff, which was great. But I'm so happy that he's coming home. I've missed him so much. He's been gone since Wednesday. And I just can't wait to give him like a hug and just like spend some time with him. It's been busy the last couple of weeks. So I'm going to get ready And also I'm still feeling sick. Like, I have got to go back to the doctor. I think I might have pneumonia and everything else. So I'm going to see what I can do about getting an appointment with the doctor and just like find out whether or not I'm okay. But okay, guys, so I am home. I did not film at the florist. There was just too much going on. But I wanted to give you a little haul of what I found this week. So I got this print from the estate sale this morning. It was $5. I don't really like the art inside of it, but I was more so looking for the frame because I got some art prints printed. I picked this pretty little ditty up off of Facebook Marketplace this week. I really racked up with the brass at the estate sale. So I found this beautiful brass tray, bowl type thing. I thought it would be great for like kind of a trinket dish. I also found this beautiful little vase right here. Like, look at how pretty that is. It's got like etched like orchids on it. It's really pretty. The tray was $15, but 20% off, 25% off, and then the vase was $15 with 25% off. I also found this lone little candlestick. So he was $5, 25% off. And then she had amazing candles, like taper candles. Like, look at these Christmas tree taper candles. They're like 3D. They're so pretty. I cannot wait to decorate for Christmas with these. I don't really want to take them out because I don't know how I'm going to get them back in this box, honestly. So, but they're so pretty. They smell like cinnamon. I won't burn these. They're just super duper pretty and like really unique. I've never seen anything like those. These were $8, so with the 25% off, $6. And then I also found these candle tapers. So I found these two green ones, you know, kind of a citron green and then more of a sage green that I thought would be pretty in the sun or in the living room. And then I found these, and I think I'm going to give them to my sister. They're these like marbled gold and green candlesticks. They're so pretty. I considered keeping them myself, but I think I might give them to Jenny just because they really work with her aesthetic. And she's got some beautiful candlestick holders that these would be really pretty in. I don't know how much these were. I just bought them. I didn't. Candles are not that expensive pretty typically. So that's what I got at the estate sale. There was really good plants there, but the hill was super steep and like I did not want to carry a bunch of stuff down. I then went to Goodwill and got some frames. So I found this like really nice gold one and found this like more pewtery silver one that I thought was nice. Bought this for the frame, not the art. I'm going to be doing a gallery wall soon in our bedroom, and I thought it would be really nice. I also found this brand new wooden one, not to hang on the wall, but more so just like to sit on furniture, and put another picture that I really like in there. And then I found this one, which I love the frame, and I love that it's a square. So I've got to get a mat that fits this. It's got the paper back. Like, obviously not a fan of the hearts or whatever, but I thought the frame had some really pretty details on it there, like a little bit of gold and stuff. So I did get some things printed from Stockhouse. This one is by McKenna's mom. It's like Etsy shop while Olivia sleeps. It's like the In Bloom, and then some other Etsy stuff. I'll link what I got. But, you know, all in all, like, good stuff. Not really, like, too much, but enough. It was a decent haul. The elephant that I went for was gone. Like, I asked them, and they said somebody got it. You know, they came at the end of the day, Friday, and picked it up. So that was a bummer, but, you know, it is what it is. That's part of the hunt, right? Like, you gotta see if you can't find what you're looking for. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this like random impromptu vlog, estate sale, kind of just what's going on in my life video. Make sure to come back every Saturday, upload every Saturday morning. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and come back every Saturday for a new one. Until the next one, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.